Hello and welcome to my presentation for Management Information System and Decision Making. My name is Mohammed Taysir Kifaya, and this presentation is talking about Management Information System. We'll talk in depth about the information system and the importance of that system to ensure the successfulness of the organizations and the market, and how the system can help the management to take the decisions based on the information that they are receiving, and how they do utilize the techniques of having a proper analytical tools to come up with the best solutions in the market. So this presentation was based on a journal academic um, essay published by Berisha Shakiri. She's assistant professor of Department of Management and Informatic Faculty Economics, University of uh, Pristina, Kosovo. And here also the DOI provided at the same page. Well, actually, in the the current environment in the market, all business they need a proper baselines, proper information to be given to them in order to give the managers the insights and the provisions to give proper decisions for their business. And this is how we can look at information system as one of the most important components in the successful organizations. Here we'll talk about the functions which are related to information system. In general, the information system is a place where managers and decision makers they can rely on the information received to have a proper, clear vision and to avoid uncertainty of their business. And this is also a good opportunity for them to look at the market and explore more chances for having a proper or bigger, like let's say bigger portion of the market shares. So management information system is a combination of people and equipment, procedures and softwares with a database where all of them are processed through a computer systems where the outputs are given in a form of reports collected from different sources. And those reports are given to the top management to have their review and to take the proper decision for their business in the market. So support of management information system and decision making. We have another system which is DSS, which is already based on computer programming. That DSS is another tool where it provides alternatives to help the decision makers to look at the upcoming things, which is like comparative sales figures or the revenues expected or any consequences of the decisions that they can do based on many alternatives. So the DSS is something we can look at it as a something supporting the system, supporting the business and supporting the decision makers. Here we look at the decision making process in general. For any decision making, we need to look at the problem itself. We have to identify why we are taking this, for what reason. So identification. and we have to gather the information, look at the alternatives, then weigh the evidences, and then choose among alternatives. After that, it will be the decision making, and finally, it will be a review of the decision has been taken by the decision makers and the company. Here, I selected also Apple as one of the successful corporations in the market where they utilized the management information system in their business. So in the coming slides, I look at the components of management systems at Apple Corporation, the types of information system utilized by Apple, decision-making process within Apple, and role of MIS and decision-making. And finally, I will look at the benefits and the challenges of MIS implementation happened at Apple Corporation. So as usual, Apple is well-known company. In the market, they are leaders in their industry. They utilize management information system with enhanced features of giving the innovative environment for their employees to give more benefits and more positive inputs for their industry. The coming slides will show the benefits and the challenges also in this corporation. So here we look at the Apple Incorporation, which already increased the efficiency of their business by leveraging the technology and giving a good listening for the customers, where they also open a place for suggestions and analyzing the feedback from the customers in their business. However, the management information system in Apple, they got also huge challenges regarding the security. Data security is a trending issue in the market where Apple they got some issues with the cyber threats, and they have to improve the security for the sake of protecting their customers. So efficiently, they could do that part of data security, and they could also look at the business from different perspectives to enhance that feature. Apple, they utilize different types of information systems where the corporation, they have a transaction processing system, and they have management information system, and also they have decision support system, and finally they have the executive information system. The transaction systems where they are for recording the daily processes, daily operation, like sales, like inventory movements, and others. On the other hand, the management information system, it's giving a summarized reports or data from the sources to help the management to look at the performance and the decisions that has been taken. And the DSS, which is the decision support system, it is a tool where they analyze the data, and they are taking this system to also support the processes and the execution part. And finally, the executive information system, it is giving the high level with the summarization or summarized reports for the performance, and give indicators to support the strategic planning and decision making. Well, basically, Apple is one of the distinguished companies in the market where they are using a combination of data-driven analysis and intuition. The information which is normally given by the customer feedback, the researches, the internal operation, those are used to look at the trends and opportunities. Wherever in the other place in the company, they are also looking at the company employees, the staff. They have a creative solutions where they are looking at these ideas and they are putting the ideas in incubators to grow them up and give them attention to be an opportunity to explore more opportunities also in the market. So in conclusion, we look at the management information system as an essential component in the organizations where they look at the outputs of the processes and they help the managers to look at the alternatives in the market and to maintain a successful, sustainable growth in their business. Thank you so much for listening.